India is quietly building a 1,000 crore rupees industry that could create the next generation of manufacturing billionaires. And most people have no idea it's happening. Look around carefully. Rooftops, factories, airports, and even villages are slowly becoming power stations. But here's the real question. Who is going to manufacture all these solar panels? Because the demand is exploding not just in India, across the entire world. And this is where one of the biggest business opportunities of the next decade begins. Why India is suddenly betting big on solar. India is witnessing one of the biggest industrial revolutions in modern history, the rise of solar manufacturing. From being heavily dependent on imports just a few years ago, India is now building one of the world's fastest growing solar manufacturing ecosystems. Government policies, global demand, and the push for clean energy have created a massive opportunity for entrepreneurs, manufacturers, and exporters. Today, solar panels are no longer just products. They are the backbone of the future energy economy. And this industry is exploding. Why solar manufacturing is becoming a huge business opportunity. India's solar module manufacturing capacity has grown rapidly in recent years, supported by initiatives like PLI schemes and the Make in India mission. But here's the exciting part. Demand is growing faster than supply. And the crazy part? Solar isn't just for rooftops anymore. It's entering airports, EV charging stations, railway projects, factories, agriculture, and even small villages. This means businesses entering this sector are not entering a temporary trend. They are entering a long-term global industry. Export potential. Now here's where things get interesting. Countries worldwide are actively searching for alternatives to Chinese solar products. Imagine a factory in India supplying solar modules to Dubai, Germany, Australia, and the USA every single week. As global demand for clean energy rises, Indian companies have the opportunity to become international suppliers. Machines required in solar manufacturing. But factories don't run on ideas alone. Behind every solar panel lies an entire manufacturing system. Solar tabber machine, laminators, L testing machines, and some more. Today, automation is becoming a game changer. Why India is the best place for this industry? India has a major advantage because it has low-cost, skilled manpower, huge domestic demand, and strong government support, which are driving the industry forward. India is already one of the world's fastest-growing solar markets, with massive solar capacity being added every year. Most importantly, India wants to reduce imports and become self-reliant in renewable energy manufacturing, creating huge opportunities for local manufacturers. Why the government is pushing this industry so hard? The Indian government is aggressively supporting this sector through production-linked incentive schemes, customs duties on imported modules, approved list of models and manufacturers (ALMM), faster renewable energy approvals, infrastructure support for manufacturing clusters. This means India wants domestic companies to grow. Why entrepreneurs should enter this industry now? Because the world is entering a clean energy race. Every country wants energy independence. Every company wants lower electricity bills. And every government wants carbon reduction. Solar is no longer optional. It is inevitable. The entrepreneurs entering this industry today are not just building factories. They are building future energy companies. But if this industry is so big, then why isn't everyone building solar factories? Because there are challenges. First is technology. The industry evolves very fast. Second is supply chain dependency, as India still imports several key materials and components. Third is quality control, because even a small defect can affect global reputation. And finally, competition. With many players entering the market, only efficient and quality-focused manufacturers will survive. How we help entrepreneurs turn opportunities into reality. But here's the good news. Every big industry looks complicated in the beginning, and every successful factory once started as just an idea. The difference is not opportunity. The difference is having the right roadmap. And that's exactly where we come in. At Neer Project Consultancy Services, we help entrepreneurs understand the complete business ecosystem, from factory setup and machinery selection to market research, project feasibility, technology guidance, and future growth opportunities. Because building a factory is not just about machines. It's about building a business that can survive, scale, and grow. So if you've ever thought about entering the manufacturing world, this could be your starting point. And here's something for you. If you're interested in entering the solar manufacturing business, comment solar below and our team will help guide you further. You can also find complete details in the description below. And remember, the next generation of successful businesses may not be built in offices. They may be built inside factories. If you want more future industries, manufacturing opportunities and business ideas, subscribe to the channel and start building your future today.